Awesome, guys. So now we're going to be looking at substitution, and the title here says substituting numbers for symbols in algebraic expressions. So it says substitution is the process whereby the symbols in an algebraic expression is replaced by given numbers in order to simplify and find its particular numerical value. So it says if x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3, and z is equal to 4. Find the value of the following algebraic expressions. All right, guys. So it's pretty easy, guys. All we have to do now is we just have to substitute the number into the equation. So we can see here we have 2x is equal to y, so x is equal to 2, so we have 2 times 2 plus y, where y is equal to minus 3. So we're going to end up with 4 minus 3, and we're going to end up with 1, and that's the answer. Okay, guys? Pretty simple, right? Then the next one is showing z minus 2y, so we're gonna get 4 minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, and then we're gonna end up with 4 and 2 negatives. Negative and negative give us a plus, so we're gonna get 4 plus 6, and the answer for this is equal to 10. All right, guys, all we have to do is substitute the values into the equation. Okay, then for the next one here, we have 5x is equal to 2y plus 3z. So 5 multiplied by x would give us 5 times 2 minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Cool. So we're going to end up with 10, and these two negatives give us a plus, so we're going to end up with plus 6, and 3 times 4 would actually give us 12. Awesome. And 10 plus 12 would actually give us 22, plus 6 would give us 28. So the answer for this one is 28. All right, guys? Awesome. Okay. So let's look at the last one here, D. And we have 8x, which is equal to 8 multiplied by 2, plus y, which is negative 3, minus 2 multiplied by 4. Cool. So we're going to end up with 8 times 2, which is 16, minus 3, and minus 2 times 4, which is 8. And then 8 minus 16 should give us 8. And 3 minus 8 should give us 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, guys? Awesome. So it's really simple, guys. All we have to do is substitute the values here and put them in the equation. And that's how we do substitution. It's really simple. And they actually usually give you questions like these on the CSEC exam. So look out for these questions, guys. And it's really simple. Okay? All right. So now we're actually going to move on, and we're going to look at adding and subtracting like terms in algebraic expressions. Okay. All right, guys. So we can see here it says from the examples before, it can be seen that the addition of like algebraic terms corresponds to the addition of their coefficients, right? And the subtraction of algebraic terms corresponds to the subtraction of their coefficients. So let's do an example. If we have 3x plus 4x, we'll add the coefficients, which is 3 and 4, and we'll get 7x. And if we subtract 4x minus 3x, we subtract the coefficients, which is 3 from 4, and we get x, right? Cool. So let's look at this example now, guys. Let's look at these 3 additional examples. And what we're going to do is first we're going to group the like terms, and then we are going to add the coefficients of the like terms together. Okay, guys? So the first thing we're going to do here is group the like terms. So we're going to get 9x minus 4x. Remember, these are like terms. Then we're going to say plus 3y plus 8y. These are also like terms. Then we're going to say negative 5z plus 12z, right? So now we know that we have all the like terms together. So all we have to do now is just add or subtract the coefficients. So we're going to end up with 5x plus 11y plus 7z. And that's the answer. Okay, guys? Cool. So this one is pretty easy. So let's look at the second one here. The first thing we want to do is we want to group the like terms. So we're going to say 15x squared minus 8x squared, because those are like terms, minus 7y squared plus 9y squared. Okay, and we should actually end up with 15 minus 8 should give us 7x squared, and 7y squared plus 9 should give us plus 2y squared. And this is the answer. Okay, guys? Pretty simple, guys. Just group the like terms first, the ones that look just like each other, and then we add the coefficients of the like terms together. Okay, so let's look at this one now, guys. This one is a bit different. We have 3a squared b, 4ab squared, minus a squared b, minus 3ab squared, minus a squared b squared. So we actually have three terms in this example. So let's just group the like terms. The first one is 3a squared b. So we're going to look for a squared b. We'll have a minus, we'll have a minus a squared b, right? So minus a squared b. And these are like. Then we're going to move on to plus 4ab squared. And we're going to look for the ab squareds. And we have a minus 3ab squared there. And the last one is actually negative a squared b squared, but this is a term within itself. This can't be added or subtracted from these terms. So we're going to end up getting 2a squared b, and we'll get plus ab squared minus a squared b squared. And this is the answer, guys. All right. And yeah, pretty simple. All we have to do is group the like terms first, then add the coefficients of the like terms together. Pretty awesome. All right, guys. So let's move on, guys. We're going to look at multiplication and division when it comes to algebraic terms. Okay. That's it. And I'll see you in the next lecture. And remember to do your best, and God will do the rest.